Good morning, I'm Don Vasily, and right now we are on Bayaibe beach. So the weather is extremely great, and that's the area where we have our excursion started. Those kind of things like Saona or Catalina Island. The area is nice. You can see how many boats we have here. Those are, the excursions boats, speed boats, catamarans, everything. So it's like kind of parking slot, but we are going to the beach to see, what kind of local beach we have here. And we are right now in Caribbean Sea. It's a bit more salty than Atlantic Ocean when we are located in Punta Cana, Bávaro. So remember, if you are going to excursion from Punta Cana, Bávaro, and you have in the morning bad weather, remember, like in a couple of hours it can be changed, and here the weather can be completely different. Saludo! So the weather can be completely different, so you need to be aware. Don't worry about the weather. Think about how you are going to enjoy your trip and your excursion. So be positive, stay tuned, on positive mood, and be sure everything is going to be great, even though if the weather is not nice right in the moment. So usually everything is changing from like 1 hour of rain, 2 hours of sun, but here the weather is different than in Punta Cana, Bávaro. Be aware about that and be positive. So focus on positive emotions, and even though it's raining right now, you can still swim and enjoy your trip. You see those local trucks, they are screaming with their promotions. Those guys are collecting some metallic parts, some used things. So, and they are going like this on the streets and screaming and collecting stuff from local people. So we are the pickup spot for speedboats. You can see a lot of people over there. So I just want to show you how everything is going. So you are driving in the bus from Bávaro, Punta Cana here, and then like everybody goes to with speedboats. Then it goes with catamaran, huge catamaran. So the area is nice. Yeah, again, it's Caribbean. So, and that's exactly the spot when we are getting everybody together to go to catamarans with the speedboats. Oh, you see those kind of hustlers with hats? Try to negotiate prices a bit, at least 20–30%. But if you like all those this stuff, you can buy something. I'd rather prefer to buy something in a shop, but still it's up to you. You can negotiate something and buy things you want. So that's how local people buy fruits and veggies. Usually street sellers, they are bringing something with the bicycles, some stands, so they're creating some outlets. All right, the weather is nice, everything is good, we are getting ready, and right now we are going to the beach. It's going to be an insanely great experience. We are going to visit every single spot in Bayaibe. I just want to show you one insanely great spot here. You're not going to go with regular excursion to this beach, but if you're going private, we can definitely organize this extremely great experience. Stay tuned, thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, not to miss our next video. Oh, like my son. Yeah.